Here are the 7 best email marketing services for small businesses. 8. MailChimp. MailChimp remains a stalwart in the world of email marketing, offering a user-friendly platform that caters to both beginners and experienced marketers. With its diverse range of professionally designed templates, creating visually appealing and engaging email campaigns is a breeze. The platform also boasts robust automation features that allow you to set up triggered emails, drip campaigns, and personalized content delivery based on user behavior. One of MailChimp's standout features is its comprehensive analytics dashboard. It provides insights into open rates, click-through rates, and audience engagement, enabling you to refine your strategies for maximum impact. Furthermore, MailChimp's integrations with e-commerce platforms and social media networks enhance your reach and marketing capabilities. For those just starting out, MailChimp offers a free plan with basic features and limited subscriber counts, making it an excellent choice for businesses on a budget. Though, Constant Contact. Constant Contact is a versatile email marketing solution that blends simplicity with advanced customization options. With an array of professionally designed templates, creating visually appealing emails is hassle-free. The platform's user-friendly interface lets you manage contacts, create lists, and schedule campaigns effortlessly. What sets Constant Contact apart is its segmentation and personalization features. You can tailor your emails to specific segments of your audience, delivering targeted content that resonates. Additionally, Constant Contact provides social media integration, allowing you to extend your campaign's reach beyond the inbox. Its reporting and analytics tools provide insights into campaign performance, helping you refine your strategies over time. Team. ConvertKit. Designed with creators and bloggers in mind, ConvertKit offers a minimalist yet powerful platform for email marketing. Its main focus is on simplicity and automation, making it a great choice for those who want to engage their audience effectively without getting overwhelmed by complex features. ConvertKit's visual automation editor enables you to create intricate workflows that respond to user actions, nurturing leads and building relationships effortlessly. ConvertKit's subscriber tagging system is another notable feature. It lets you segment your audience based on their interests and behavior, allowing for highly targeted email campaigns. The platform also provides customizable sign-up forms that can be embedded on your website, ensuring a seamless and consistent user experience. While ConvertKit may lack some of the advanced features of larger platforms, its ease of use and creator-friendly approach make it an attractive option. Chart. Aweber is a reliable email marketing service that caters to businesses of all sizes. Known for its customizable templates and drag-and-drop editor, Aweber makes designing appealing emails a straightforward process. The platform's automation features allow you to create sequences of emails that respond to subscriber actions, streamlining your marketing efforts. A standout feature of Aweber is its in-depth analytics and reporting tools. These provide insights into subscriber behavior, helping you understand what works and what needs improvement. Aweber's subscriber segmentation options also contribute to more targeted campaigns, enhancing engagement rates. The platform's integrations with e-commerce platforms, content management systems, and lead generation tools further expand its capabilities. Patch. GetResponse. GetResponse offers a user-friendly interface with features that cater to various marketing needs. Its responsive email design ensures your messages look great on any device, and the platform's customizable templates make campaign creation a breeze. GetResponse's automation workflows enable you to set up complex sequences of emails based on user behavior, enhancing user engagement and conversions. What sets GetResponse apart is its support for webinars. If your small business focuses on educational content or product demonstrations, this feature can be a significant asset. Additionally, GetResponse's integration with e-commerce platforms allows for seamless sales funnel creation and tracking. The platform's reporting and analytics tools provide insights into subscriber behavior and campaign performance, aiding in continuous improvement. Share. Sendinblue is an affordable yet feature-rich email marketing service suitable for small businesses. Beyond email campaigns, it offers SMS campaigns and transactional emails, providing a comprehensive communication solution. The platform's automation features enable you to set up workflows that trigger emails based on user actions, enhancing engagement and conversions. Sendinblue's affordability is a significant draw, making it accessible to businesses with limited budgets. Its easy-to-use interface simplifies campaign creation, and the platform's intuitive contact management ensures you can keep your audience organized. While it might not offer the same level of complexity as some larger platforms, Sendinblue's combination of affordability and features makes it an attractive choice for small businesses aiming to make the most of their email marketing efforts. 7. Drip is tailored for e-commerce businesses seeking to optimize their email marketing strategies. It excels in personalized marketing automation, allowing you to create highly targeted campaigns based on user behavior and preferences. Drip's email segmentation options enhance engagement by delivering relevant content to specific segments of your audience. One of Drip's standout features is its integration with e-commerce platforms. This integration enables you to track customer behavior, personalize product recommendations, and recover abandoned carts through automated email sequences. Additionally, Drip's detailed analytics provide insights into revenue generated from email campaigns, helping you quantify the impact of your marketing efforts on your bottom line. In conclusion, the choice of an email marketing service for your small business should align with your specific needs, budget, and technical requirements. Whether you prioritize simplicity, advanced automation, or e-commerce integration, these 7 options offer a range of features to help you effectively engage your audience and drive business growth.